So 1 point perspective is about being able to see things at a distance. All right. There is a very famous comedy sketch from a show called Father Ted that shows the difference between things that are big, things that are small, and things that are far away. Okay? The further away things are, the smaller they seem when you look at them. Okay? And 1 point perspective is one way of being able to do that. All right? So when we're drawing 1 point perspective, the first thing we're doing is we're drawing in our eye line. Okay? We're going to draw in our eye line at the top of the page, across like that. Okay? And our eye line is the level at which we're seeing things. Okay? So if I have my eye line quite high, I can look down at you all and I can see probably the fronts of your faces and probably the tops of your heads. Yeah? If I have my eye line level with yours, we're all sitting down, I can just see the front of your face. And if I was to sit on the floor, I could probably see the front of your face and the underneath, probably the bottom of your chin. Okay? So depending on where I sit depends on what I can see when I'm looking at you. All right? So by drawing the eye line quite high up, it means I'm going to be able to look down on things. So I'm going to be able to see the top and the front. All right? Next thing I'm going to put in is my vanishing point. Okay, that's where everything's going to go back to. So I'm just going to write VP for vanishing point. Okay. And we're going to have a go at drawing some letters. All right. All of the letters we're going to have a go at drawing, we're going to do the same thing. Okay. So we're drawing the lines away from us. We're rotating the page. Okay. This shouldn't be news to anybody at all. All right. And then what we can do is if I do, let's go for an F. All right. I can draw my F in. Again, fill in my box. Just like that. Now, here comes the tricky bit, so pay attention. I'm going to pick all of my corners that I possibly can, and I'm going to draw them back to the vanishing point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this corner back to the vanishing point, this corner back to the vanishing point, this corner back to the vanishing point, and so on and so forth. Okay. And what that does is it shows that my object is going to get smaller the further towards the vanishing point it goes. And then finally, I'm going to draw in my finish lines. And these set the depth, all right? Because at the moment, my shape is infinitely long. So I'm coming down there. Again here, so I'm going to come down there. Okay. And I'm going to come down there. Orange pen, same as always, means 2H pencil, means really light lines, really faint lines. Black marker pen means HB pencil, thick, bold outlines. So what I'd like you guys to do is I'd like you guys to have a go at drawing some 3D letters. They'll look a wee bit like that.
Oh wow!
All right. Start with the letters that are in the letters that use straight lines first, okay, because they're easier. Okay. Then start using the letters with curves. All right. You should be able to fit 1, 2, 3, 4 or so letters onto a page. All right. You probably will get it wrong first time. That's absolutely fine. All right. We just want to keep going, keep trying. Don't you spray that.